I would take some time to share my success story, probably a quick one. So I was going through a phase where I didn't have a job for a couple of months, didn't know what to do, basically very clueless. So I was in wrong hands for a couple of days, a couple of months, which again, I was really not satisfied with their way of teaching, and again back to the same old base, again being clueless, you don't know what to do. So that's when I started hunting for things. I came across TEQSpoc, which is led by Kopi sir, an amazing team, I must say. So I spoke to him on call, and once I spoke to him on call, in fact insisted him to meet him in person. So once we sat, we spoke together, and I tried to put my requirements in front of him. He was, I must say, he was very transparent, very kind enough to clear all my doubts. In fact, I had a lot of doubts because I was not a person to take up any online courses just like that. So once I spoke to him, I was pretty clear. I understood their way of teaching and their approach. So I think post that conversation, I didn't take a step back. In fact, didn't even give us a second thought. I immediately registered to TEQSpoc. So they're amazing team, as I already told. So I post the registration, I started off my training. And how do I miss my mentor, Divya? She was an amazing gem, a very professional person. In fact, so grounded. She made me understand things in a very good manner. She started bringing up real-time scenarios, and probably that helped me understand things even more clearly. I tried to put myself in those scenarios and how would I deal them. So she made things really good, and by sharing different insights from her own experience, in fact, contributed in a very good way, to be honest. So not with just learning, it was just not about theory, it was about practical understanding of how you're gonna handle teams, how you're gonna handle for this particular role when you don't have prior experience. Basically day to day, when you don't know and when you have not done, and how you're gonna do it. So I think that's where I was actually tensed, if I'll be able to do, or will I be able to handle things with no prior experience. But once my training started, gradually I started gaining a lot of confidence. I understood, okay, this is what I wanted, and they're the right team giving their best. So within just 10 days of my training, I started receiving interview calls, and guess what, I ended up cracking interviews, in fact 2 interviews back to back, and now placed in a very good company. In fact, very proud to be placed and to be a part of EY GDS, one of the big 4, to be honest. I was initially taken in as a senior consultant. It's just been 3 months and I've already been promoted as an assistant manager. So I think this journey taught me a lot of things, that you should just need the right guidance, you need to meet the right people, and they are just there. The entire team is doing their really best. I think it's time to support them. It's just not about boosting or something like that. I think you need to encourage the right people doing the right things. And for anybody who's stuck, anybody who's seeing this video, you don't know what to do, whom to approach, I think they're the best. You can just give them a call, in fact just a call away, understand things, talk to them and take up. All I would say is never hesitate to take your first step. maybe you don't know, you might land into something really big, something really unexpected. So it's just a matter of right people, right guidance, helping you in and out, and of course with your dedication. So with all of that, I'm here talking about TEQSpoc. I have nothing to say but a lot of gratitude. A very big thank you to the entire team. Gopi sir, you're doing an amazing job running this, and my mentor Divya, and also Mamta from the interview preparation team, who's been helping me with the interviews, the CV preparation, clarifying my doubts. They take up mock interviews to understand and even teach you much better. They tell you where you go wrong and how you're going to improve before attending the actual interview. I think guys, you all are doing a great job, and a big thumbs up from my end. So very big thank you. And what would I say? Just a lot of gratitude when I'm at work every day, when I meet new people, when I'm learning new things, or even the smallest appreciation I get from the team. I think all credit goes to TEQSpoc. So thank you team, and all the best. Thank you guys.